Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest in business and industry news. Today, we are diving into the world of pharmaceuticals and aesthetics with a special focus on Botox, a product we all know and some of us may have even tried. Botox, manufactured by AbbVie through its subsidiary Allergan, is more than just a household name. It's a market leader in the global botulinum toxin type of market. As of 2024, the global botulinum toxin market is valued at approximately $11.85 billion and is projected to reach $12.94 billion in 2025. And according to some estimates, it might even surpass $29 billion by 2034, boasting a compound annual growth rate of more than 9%. But what's driving this growth? Well, that's what we'll explore in our financial report. We'll look at the revenue generated by Botox over the past 3 years, delve into a significant FDA approval in October 2024, and examine the challenges and opportunities presented by a host of new competitors. Before we dive into the numbers, let's take a look at the global botulinum toxin market. Currently, North America dominates with over 1/3 of the global market share, followed by Europe with around 27%. Asia Pacific is emerging as a key player, expected to grow at the fastest rate over the next decade due to rising incomes, increased product accessibility, and a growing preference for non-surgical cosmetic procedures. Now let's analyze Botox's financial performance. From 2022 to 2024, the product has been a major revenue driver for AbbVie, demonstrating stability amidst modest fluctuations tied to broader economic conditions and competitive pressures. In 2022, Botox sales remained consistent, with growth driven by both the cosmetic and therapeutic segments. The following year, U.S. Botox cosmetic sales reached $1.7 billion, showing slight growth despite challenging macroeconomic conditions. In 2024, however, AbbVie reported a 5% year-over-year decline in U.S. aesthetic sales in the fourth quarter, with Botox sales totaling $839 million. Despite this setback, Botox still held approximately 60% of the U.S. botulinum toxin market, underlining its strong brand equity and resilience in the face of temporary headwinds. Globally, the therapeutic segment of Botox remained robust and largely insulated from the fluctuations witnessed in the aesthetics market. In October 2024, Botox Cosmetic achieved a significant milestone with U.S. FDA approval for a new indication, the temporary improvement of moderate to severe vertical neck platysma bands in adults. This approval marked an important expansion of the product's therapeutic portfolio and strengthened its competitive edge by addressing an unmet consumer need in the neck rejuvenation market. However, the path ahead is not without its challenges. Botox faces growing competition from several new entrants, each vying for a slice of this lucrative market. These include Evolus with its product Jeuveau, which has posted impressive year-over-year growth, particularly in the aesthetic segment. 𝗕𝗢𝗚, a Korean biopharmaceutical company that recently entered the U.S. market with 𝗕𝗣𝗚𝗧𝗢𝗢𝗏, its botulinum toxin for glabellar lines, and Revance with Daxxify, a long-acting alternative to Botox, to stay ahead of the curve. Botox has some exciting developments in the pipeline, including 𝗕𝗢𝗚𝗓𝗏, a novel neuromodulator candidate designed for rapid-onset facial aesthetics. Clinical trials have shown it can take effect as early as 8 hours post-injection compared to the standard 24 to 48 hours for Botox. As we bring this report to a close, it's evident that Botox remains a flagship product for AbbVie, delivering steady revenue and maintaining leadership in an evolving, highly competitive market. The recent FDA approval for platysmal bands and the upcoming launch of TrenibotE signal a proactive approach to sustaining market dominance. Yet challenges remain, including managing a complex supply chain, keeping up with changing consumer trends and preferences, and continuing to innovate and differentiate in the face of new competition. Only time will tell how these challenges will be met and whether Botox will continue its reign as the king of the cosmetics world. Thank you for watching. If you found this report useful, please don't hesitate to show your support. We would greatly appreciate it. Additionally, if there are any other companies or topics you'd like us to cover in future reports, feel free to let us know in the comments below. We're always open to suggestions. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.